Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install Ansible on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I want to do is just double check and verify the version of Red Hat that I'm running. So we'll run cat etc Red Hat release. And here we can see that Red Hat Enterprise Linux release 8.10 is being used on this system. So I'll be installing Ansible instead of Ansible Core. There's a few differences between the two. The main reason why I always prefer to install Ansible, it's a full package with plugins, dependencies, and modules. And Ansible Core is more of a lightweight installation with basic components only. So that's the main reason why I'd rather install Ansible. Also, in order to get the latest updates, I'd like to install the repo for it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll do a subscription manager for repos. We're going to enable Ansible 2 for RHEL 8. What did I do here? Ansible 2 for RHEL 8 does not match a valid repository ID. So sudo subscription manager repos Ansible -2 for RHEL 8. Oh, I know what I did. RPMs. Okay, the repository has been enabled, so now I should be able to find my Ansible package. So if we do sudo yum install Ansible, we can see that it's gonna install version 2.9, which is the latest, and all its dependencies. As we know, Ansible runs on Python, so Python needs to be installed as well. So we're gonna select Y for yes. Okay, the installation has been complete. I always like to check the version just to double check. It's a very useful command. We'll run Ansible -- version, and this output gives us two very useful information. The first thing, obviously, we see the version right here, Ansible 2.9.27, and then we also use this command to check the current configuration file being used. And here we can see it's pointing to etc Ansible, Ansible.cfg. Later on, when I go over more in-depth information with Ansible, we'll see that this path right here is going to change to something different. One more thing that I also like to check is the version of Python being used, even though we can basically see it right here. It can also be acquired by by actually using Ansible. We're going to use Ansible, then we're going to tell it to use the setup module on the local host, which is the current host we're using, and we want to grep for Ansible Python version, and there we go, there's the output. So it's Ansible Python version 3.6.8. So that's the current version of Python we're going to be using with Ansible 2.9.27. And that's pretty much it. Straightforward, very simple. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very useful. Thank you, and see you in the next one.